a bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Alright, we've got this rod, and what we're doing is we've already glued this whole end cap on and the threads as well. We've already stuffed that with foam, and this is a 3-inch PVC. Go back a little bit. We've put foam on the end of the base right here too, so we can send it in. And then right here, I'm going to tape something on there too. Actually, you know what? I'll do it halfway. I'll do another one. Hold on, real quick. Let me. Hold it right here. How you doing, boss? I'll be right with you. Here, I'll hold it. Lift the cushion so as it's getting bounced around, it won't slam against the sides. One more at the end. Ready for shipping. Yeah. This will be our most expensive shipping of a rod ever. We're not taking any chances sending it in a 3-inch PVC. We've glued both ends, insulated that side, insulated the middle of the rod, and also insulated the back end over there, as y'all saw in the video. So let's go see how much it costs to ship. Alright guys, so y'all saw the packing video, and I finally got a company to come out, pick it up, and get it shipped over, and now it's going to Georgia. And yep, he's here to pick it up for me real quick. If you don't mind being on camera for a second. So yep, there's the rod. Y'all saw me wrap up, and it's going today. Yes. Alright. Oh yeah. You got it? Alright. Awesome. sir. Y'all do it.